Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So our journey is continuing. So in today's video we will see about the internal body parts with pronunciations and also about the real conversation based on that internal body part. So as you remember, in the last video we have seen about the external body parts with their pronunciation. So let's see today's topic, internal body part. So this means in Amharic ውስጣዊ የሰውነት ክፍል internal body part. This internal body part it means ውስጣዊ የሰውነት ክፍል. So let's see. So the internal body parts and this is Amharic translation and this is the pronunciation. That means Amharic in English sounds. So the brain it means in Amharic አንጎል. Brain means in Amharic አንጎል and heart it means in Amharic ልብ. Heart means in Amharic ልብ. And lung means or lungs it means in Amharic ሳምባ. Lung means in Amharic ሳምባ. And a liver it means in Amharic ጉበት. Liver means in Amharic ጉበት. And a kidney it means in Amharic ኩላሊት. Kidney means in Amharic ኩላሊት. Kidney means in Amharic ኩላሊት. And stomach it means in Amharic ሆድ. Stomach means in Amharic ሆድ. And intestines it means in Amharic አንጀት. Intestines means in Amharic አንጀት. So there are two types of intestines, the small intestines and the large intestines. Small intestines means ትንሹ አንጀት and large intestines means ትልቁ አንጀት. So blood it means in Amharic ደም. Blood means in Amharic ደም. And bones it means in Amharic አጥንት. Bones means in Amharic አጥንት. And muscles it means in Amharic ጡንቻ. Muscles means in Amharic ጡንቻ. Pancreas it means in Amharic ጣፊያ. Pancreas means in Amharic ጣፊያ. And bladder it means in Amharic ፊኛ. Bladder means in Amharic ፊኛ. And esophagus it means in Amharic የምግብ መንገድ. It is a tube that the food is swallowed from through it. The food is swallowed through it into the stomach. So this esophagus is የምግብ መንገድ. And gallbladder it means የሐሞት ከረጢት. It is a sac. የሐሞት ከረጢት. And spinal cord it means የጀርባ አጥንት. Spinal cord it means የጀርባ አጥንት. So this all about the internal body parts and their Amharic names. So let's say in a sentence the words for example my heart is beating fast. So what does it mean heart in Amharic? Heart it means in Amharic ልብ. So my heart is beating fast. This means in Amharic ልቤ ፈጥኖ እየመታ ነው. So ልቤ ፈጥኖ እየመታ ነው. The brain controls the body. What does it mean brain? What does it mean brain in Amharic? It means አንጎል. So the brain controls the body. It means in Amharic አንጎል ሰውነትን ይቆጣጠራል. And the stomach digests food. So what does it mean stomach? It means in Amharic ሆድ. Stomach means in Amharic ሆድ. So the stomach digests food. It means in Amharic ሆድ ምግብን ይፈጫል. So this all about today's lesson. It's about internal body parts with pronunciation and also about the real conversation. So how we use that words in a conversation or in a sentence. So thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos and also share my channel. So see you to another video. Bye.